What's up, y'all? How's everybody doing today? Welcome back to another vlog. So this morning I was on the phone with Julie. You guys all know Julie, right? And I was asking her, hey Julie, what should I cook for dinner today? And she was like, bro, you should make my special spaghetti sauce. I was like, what are you talking about? And she gave me her ingredients, y'all. And this is how it goes. Garlic, onion, bell pepper, mushroom, hot dog, breakfast sausage, chunky pineapple, sriracha, sugar, salt. I was like, damn, you put all of that into your sauce? And it has to be Pringles. She's like, yeah, you should try it. Your kids will love it. That's what she say. So, I'm going to take her word for it because that's what friends are for. If a friend tells you something, you got to believe them. I'm going to try that ingredient because I tell the truth. Every time I make spaghetti, it's literally just a sauce. Luckily, if there's mushroom in there and some ground beef. Yeah, she also say add a lot of ground beef. But that's it. But to add all the other ingredients, let's check it out, y'all. I'm at the store right now. Let's go shop real quick. Ran into my sister right here. Yeah. Going shopping with my mama. Yeah, mom over there. Phải không? Đi một mình. Đi chờ thôi. Tối nay làm spaghetti. Tối nay làm spaghetti. À.
Rồi có lấy bánh bao chưa?
Ồ quên, xí tới lấy, xí ghé lấy.
Con có bỏ tủ lạnh không?
Có, xí ghé lấy. Chà.
Chờ giỏi cái sọc mình lấy
Mushroom right here. Right. Dũng mua vé số không không? Dũng không? Dũng vé số hay là xích lô?
Bán cho cái vé số.
Mua được cái gì không? Mua được cái gì tốt không?
Đây này.
Mua được.
Cải này nè, có đồng máy nè.
Để nấu phở hả?
Nó phở thì kia cái của mới đốt đại mà đi chiều.
Thôi đi mua chặn 1 giờ rồi ghê hả? Thời gian trôi qua nhanh quá. Thôi bye mom, đi. Bye kêu. Đi chị. Cái gì mom? Thôi được rồi. No, thank you. Được rồi mom. Bye. Prego tradition. There we go. Family size tradition. There we go. Spaghetti. Let's get this. There we go. This is pineapple slice over here, right? Oh, pineapple chunks right here. This the one chunk. Let's try this one. This right here will work. Brown and serve. Full cooked sausage link. All right, let's try this one. These hot dogs don't look good. Yes. There we go. This should work. Alright guys, we are about to cook this special spaghetti tonight using Julie's special recipe. In front of me, I have the ground beef that I defrosted, the sauce Prego, chunky pineapple, garlic, onion, breakfast sausage, mushroom, hot dogs, spaghetti, and in front of me I'm missing 2 items. One of them is bell pepper and you know, some garlic bread to go with the spaghetti. So my wife, I call her. She's on her way home with the bell pepper and the garlic bread. So let's go ahead and start cooking, y'all. So I'm pretty excited about trying this recipe out because when I make spaghetti, guys, I'm very simple. I just put mushroom, ground beef, onion, garlic, and that's it. But when Julie starts saying morning sausage, hot dogs, pineapples, bell peppers, that just threw me off right there. So from there, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and give it a try and see what my kids say. Let me know in the comment if y'all ever had any special ingredients if y'all mix your spaghetti sauce. Like this. She said it has to be breakfast sausage, and I wasn't sure what that means, so I just went in and bought some like this. So this is what it looks like, y'all. This is what morning sausage look like right here. So we're just gonna go ahead and put all that sausage in there. Oh, gotta trust the process, you know? Right. Make the sauce right now. Let's go and add some black pepper into this ground beef. Add some oregano. And we're gonna go ahead and add the sausage in. Let's go ahead and add the sausage in here. According to Julie, that's what she put in there. So let's go ahead and just follow through. Just follow through. Let's go. Let's go ahead and just put the hot dog in there. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it all in at once, y'all. That's all we can do. Let's go ahead. Okay. Got some chunky pineapple in here, y'all. I mean, it smells good. So let's go ahead and drop the mushroom in there. Let's go put the mushroom in there. The mushroom comes last is because, you know, it's soft. It can cook fast. But let me show you how it looks like right now, okay? Let me wipe my hand real quick. Go ahead and stir it up. It looks good, though. I mean, this is some really healthy ingredients right here for a spaghetti sauce. It's really chunky. Right here. Spaghetti's looking nice and good. And then we got, this thing's boiling up right now. You can see. Oh yeah, look at that. Alright, so what is going on right now is because we put all this ingredient here, all the juice from the ingredient is just coming out from this pot. And so I can see where it smells good right now, y'all. It has all type of hot dogs, sausage, pineapple, mushroom. And I know she mentioned add some salt, so let's go ahead and add some salt. Oh, don't tell me we ain't got no salt. Oh, we got salt. We don't have any salt. No, we gotta have salt somewhere. Hold on. We're gonna add some sugar. She mentioned some sugar. We got salt. We're gonna get salt. No worry. We're gonna add some sugar. Add some sriracha. Looks like right now, y'all. Look at that. Wow. So it seems like I don't have any salt, so I'm gonna go to my neighbor's house, see if I can borrow some salt, or ask for some, not borrow. Hey, can I have some salt?
Mom, we need salt.
Wait, you don't need salt. I need salt. Can I have some salt? Just a little bit. Just pour it in there a little bit.
Okay, Bailey, bite. Yeah.
Thank you. All right, we got salt from our neighbor's house. Just a pinch here and there.
Hi, Daddy.
All right, and we got the bell pepper. You got the bell pepper right here. Oh yeah, it smells delicious. Especially with the bell pepper, man. Dang. Yeah. Pour this in.
The whole thing?
Yep. Oh yeah, this looks really good. Let's see how it tastes. Mm. Ooh, that looks good, huh, Colin? This is yours. You get the first dip.
First dib.
Ooh, look at that.
How do you say it?
All right. You know what? This actually tastes good because it has a lot of ingredients. It feels more fulfilling. Because when we make it, it's just carbs and tomato sauce, you know?
This has more protein.
Mm-hmm. That has more protein. I'm surprised how she
I
put
need
these
more
ingredients
sauce.
together.
She's southern.
It doesn't have enough sauce for
For
me.
you?
Must be a southern thing. So overall, you guys.
Oh,
What?
I know what it tastes like, the jambalaya.
Yeah. If you ask Ribbon here, it would taste like jambalaya. That's what it is.
You got the stove on, baby.
Yeah. Kaylin, give some feedback on the ingredients and the recipe. Kaylin's really good at giving feedback. What do you think overall?
I do not like pineapple. I like the hot dog. Tastes
But
like,
why give it a good refreshing taste?
Yeah.
hot dog tastes like hot dog.
Hot sauce.
It's good, right? It blends well.
It tastes like
Hot dog.
hot dog with pizza.
Yeah. What about you, Colin? What do you think?
There you go, baby.
Overall, it's really good. The mushrooms are. Did you cook the mushrooms?
I did.
They're cooked like really correctly and stuff.
Not overcooked.
Not overcooked, not undercooked, and everything else is
And not cooked.
Not raw.
yes, and not cooked.
What about you, Carter? What do you think about the sauce?
Only like the noodles and the garlic bread.
You don't like the sauce?
I like the sauce too.
Okay. I like it. Thank you for the recipe, and if you guys enjoy and want to try this recipe, you guys should
Thank you
give
for
it a
the
try.
Taiwan.
It actually really tastes really tasteful and fulfilling.
Oh, you
Right.
forgot the bell pepper here.
There is bell pepper, and I think that bell pepper kind of give it that nice like kick, but not really strong, you know.
There's a
I
carrot.
also like the salt and
But
the
not too strong. But overall, have a good night, and we're gonna enjoy our dinner.
Very delicious.